This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the HP laptop. Make sure it's powered, logged in, and any physical Wi-Fi switch is on. Open Network and Internet Settings or Control Panel's Network Connections to view adapters. You want to confirm the wireless or Ethernet adapter is enabled and not showing an error icon. If a driver is missing, Device Manager will show a yellow triangle. Once done, make sure airplane mode is off and that your router or modem is powered and broadcasting, so the next steps can find networks. Next, choose your connection. Pick the SSID from the Wi-Fi list or insert an Ethernet cable into the LAN port for a wired link. You'll be prompted for the WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase. Type it carefully because one wrong character blocks access. If your environment needs a static IP, input the address, gateway, subnet mask, and DNS, otherwise leave DHCP enabled. Once connected, check IP4 and DNS resolution in adapter properties, and run the Windows Network troubleshooter if there's any. To finish, verify connectivity by pinging a public IP like 8 and loading a website that shows both link and name resolution. Make sure network drivers and your router firmware are up to date, and reboot the laptop and router if the connection is flaky. If things go wrong, release and renew the IP with ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew, and flush DNS with ipconfig/flushdins. This clears stale leases and cached records and often resolves common connectivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.